You don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? This does heat, this does hot water. This can be gas, this can be propane, this can be oil. Why is this good? Because it's on demand. It only runs when you need it. So this is updated, this is what you want. Whenever you see one of these, you're in a good position. When you have a gas boiler, right, that's forced water, you cannot have an oil hot water tank. So you can have a gas heating system, you can have a gas hot water tank, you can have an oil heating system, you can have an oil hot water running off the boiler. So if you go in a basement and you only see a boiler that runs off oil and it doesn't have a hot water tank, that means that the hot water runs off of the boiler. So that means the boiler is never shutting off. And that's why people don't like that. Oil will just keep running because oil heat is running your hot water. Now this runs both. This gas system runs heat and hot water.